at the end of the street, intersection to the right. And after the next pedestrian crossing, we turn left. You never know, sometimes children run. And we go to the left, the third exit, the roundabout is. They also roundabout, the third exit, but the trick is there, like from Vairuoti Street after the yellow house, the third exit, you get on the left, but in the curve, in the roundabout, you change to the right. So we go the third exit. Here we have information which lane we need. So, yes, we need the left lane. But after the turn, we get on the right at once because it's 20 meters. It's no time for just you must learn some roundabouts to change lane. Okay, but it's not very difficult because these cannot drive around. You see, they are not allowed. So we go around and that one's on the right side. Yes, like this. We go to the end of the street, then we go left. Section to the left. Now we go 2 kilometers straight, traffic lights. To the right. little bit. Sometimes they cut edge, but a little bit larger because you see it's a little bit. The rear wheel just slipped a little bit. So it depends. The touching is a small mistake, hitting is a big mistake, but better not to touch. It's not. The curve is a little bit more sharp, so a little bit deeper, but it's also dangerous because they cut the edge, so a little bit slower, and then you can.
Oh, this is new, right?
Yes,
There was a restaurant
portable. Yes, before there was a restaurant, but they just as a portable. They will take it away.
Oh.
Because they are planning 5 lanes here.
Uh-huh.
Yes, to make it wide. They connect the highway with Vairuoti, and it will be a wide road. Down the hill 2 lanes, up the hill 3 lanes. When we go down the hill, we go the first road to the right. Let's go. Pedestrian crossing to the right, like the truck. We go to the left, maybe 70 meters, but now it's only 50. So we go to the left. You can enter 1/3, then they are blocked because they are the side road. So like here, it's better because, okay. And then we stop like the red car and then reverse 90 degrees to the right. Here also, if you want to improve it down, you can go a little bit further. Because 5 meters, as I told.
I
so
can see it now.
You can see it?
Yeah.
Okay, so. Look over the shoulder also, then you have better distance feeling. It's good, but a little bit not to risk, not to have so tight distance. Okay. And a little bit deeper, yes. We want to go deeper back. Okay. And then we go to the right. So also entering and exiting, it happens if they are very close, they turn at once and the rear wheel cuts edge and gets on the curb. So always keep on controlling this side and keep on controlling the front. If it is a solid line, then sometimes they go too fast, too far. At the end of the street, we go to the right.